Hey, it's the Kevbeaux of PubClub.com, and I have here a new toy for PubClub.com. It's called the BlendJet, and it's a portable blender you can take on the road with you. It has a USB port, so you can charge it up and hook it up into any USB port in your phone, on your laptop, or even like sometimes I have a portable charging device that I keep with me to go to the beach or to events or stuff. And so anyway, I'm going to give this baby a try. You can get these ready to blend packets that are really cool. It's this one is Smoothie Mango Matcha, which is great. So I think you just pour it in there, but it's got a long list of directions. I'm going to follow those directions, and of course I'm just not going to put this in here because it's just not like a healthy drink. That's not the way PubClub.com rolls, or the Kevbeaux. So I have me some rum here. I've got some excellent the Bacardi Añejo 4-year-old that'll be adding to mine. So this does have some interesting instructions, so bear with me. It's kind of funny, actually. Let's see. Always start by adding a liquid, such as water, milk, or juice. This would make blending easy. We recommend cutting your fruit or other ingredients into small chunks. So we'll cut up fruit and things like that. I've actually got some bananas in there, which might be pretty cool to put in this, but I'm just going to go stick with the complete packet they have here of the, I have it backwards, of the mango matcha. And let's see. Now, this is one I like. For maximum blending power, start your BlendJet upside down so that the blades reach their top RPM, then turn it right side up so that the ingredients hit all 6 blades at full speed. It says you can blend ice. Okay, so I'm going to pour this in here, turn it upside down, and let's see what happens. Whoops, I think I overfilled it a little. So I'll just push it down. It's my first time at this, by the way. Well, I see some mango stuff in there. It's floating down to the bottom. Yeah, I put a little too much in it. So obviously that's something we have to be careful about. A little too much stuff in there, but a little overflow. That's okay, I guess. All right, should have brought a napkin out. So I'm going to take this. It said blend upside down. Okay. Start it out upside down. I guess I just hit that button. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Start upside down. It's already blended. What? It's already blended? That can't be right. Well, that was fast. Okay, well, let me put some rum in here and give it a test. Tastes very, very tropical, very smoothie. I can definitely taste the mangoes in it. I think what I'll do is I'll give it another blend, and that was cool to watch anyway, to get that rum mixed up in it, and then add more rum, of course. So I'll do it right side up now. And the cool thing is, it just stops automatically when it's done. I mean, that's way cool. So I could actually, in theory, go walk off and get a napkin and come back and be ready to go. But I'm going to sit here and watch it because I'm out on a ledge and I don't want a big gust of wind to blow. Oh, now this one's lasting longer, so maybe I was supposed to turn it upside down or right side up a little sooner than I did. Oh yeah, that's getting it really, really mixed up. Okay. And now we sing the Waiting for Elevator song. Aha, okay. Now I think that's the way it should be. Oh my. You see it's got this little filter kind of top on there. I'm not sure what that does, but anyway. Okay, that is way better. That's the way it's supposed to be. Folks, it's called the BlendJet. It's a very cool device, and that is worth, I don't know how many ounces that is, but that's definitely a decent sized cocktail. The BlendJet is available at BlendJet.com, and we've talked about it on the Men Who Blog Virtual Happy Hour, which you can find on the PubClub.com Twitter page or on the Men Who Blog or PubClub.com Facebook page. So just go on Facebook.com and put in Pub Clubber, and you'll find our show on this. It's going to be a trop rock show too. We're going to have a lot of tropical music on it, and we're going to make it a big tropical day. And this BlendJet, it's good for healthy stuff. It's good for party stuff. It's good for pool parties. It's good for pretty much anything where you want to take a little portable blender along. Folks, it's called the BlendJet. And I hope you enjoy yours as much as I know PubClub.com and the Kevbeaux will enjoy mine. Cheers.